You can earn $150 daily and above if you learn how to comment on people's videos with wisdom. Before, I used to think commenting on YouTube videos or on any video on social media platforms is just for the fans, or for people to express their what they feel towards the content, what they feel towards your video, what they feel, or maybe their, but that is for the few. But for the majority of the people who know this, they have been earning $150 and above. When you talk about earning, we need real hard cash. They've been earning. I know most of you are going to say, how can I? I've been posting my comments on your videos. I've been posting on my comments on people's videos, but I've never earned. Today we are going to learn how exactly you can earn $150. It is so simple and clear, and most people have earned it. If you want to earn $150 and above, we mean US dollars and above, on by commenting on people's videos, please hold on to this video and I'm going to show you what to do. Hey everybody, this is Christine. Welcome back to Immaculate Show channel. Today I'm going to share with you an easy way to earn at least 150 every day just by commenting on people's videos. Yes, you heard that right. I mean by commenting on people's videos, even on your own videos. You can make money online by simply leaving comments on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and even Facebook. And the best part is, it is just here I'm bringing it. This is a strategy that includes affiliate marketing, affiliate links. Please don't go far if you hear that word affiliate. It is so sweet and simple, which means that you can even earn more than $150 that I'm talking about. So if you're ready to start making money online, please keep watching until the end. Before that, you people, before we dive into the main body of this video, I would love to appreciate everybody that has been coming back to Immaculate Show. You know, Immaculate Show, we are into making sure that we make money with what we have, what is around us, and what within us. And on top of that, we want to use free money. We can call it free money per se. It is not free, because without your dedication and your persistence and your zeal, you might not make this money. That's why you find only 5% of the population that hold a phone, that have access to data or internet, are getting this money out of social media, are getting this one out of online, and they end up being called scam. No, they are not scam, but they know the right key, they know the right padlocks to open, they know the right things to do, and they are go-getters. So let's dive in this video. We're going to be looking at different clusters of how to earn $150 and above just by commenting on people's videos. What do you need to do? We're going to get started by seeing one. What do you need to get started? What you need to get started is very simple. First things first, we are going to talk about what you really need for you to say, I'm going to earn $150 and above. You might say, I want to earn 500, I want to earn this. What do you need? The good news is that what you need is not too much. What you need is within you, is around you, and you have been using it, but you didn't know how to use it right. So what you need, one, you need a device, any smart device and or laptop. You need the tablet, you need either phone or a computer, one of these things. If you hear that, I know if you're listening, you have one of these things. The second thing, you need to have access to internet. Obviously, you need a stable internet connection for you to do this wonderful side gig. Then the third, you need to have affiliate marketing accounts. Sign up for affiliate marketing accounts from wherever. We have very many. I've signed from Amazon, I've signed from ClickBank, or any niche specific affiliate network marketing that you know. Then this will provide you with a unique link to their products or services you can promote. Then the third one, and which one I want you to start with as we finish this video, it's about social media accounts. You will use platforms like YouTube, the one you're watching right now, Facebook, the one you're watching right now, TikTok, or any, and you leave only by leaving comment. We're going to see how to do it. So I want you to head over to your phone, to your gadget. If you don't have any of these platforms, one, you can go to YouTube, open up a YouTube account. It is simple, it cannot take a long time. Two, you can go to Facebook, the same, Instagram, the same, and TikTok, the same. Then we station ourselves on how to do this. Now, the next cluster, we're going to see how it works. How now all these things you have you have around four things in your in your palm, in your hand. You have a device, you have internet access, you have affiliate marketing marketing links by opening marketing accounts. It's very easy. Just go to Amazon and check how you can be an Amazon affiliate marketer. The moment you put Amazon associate, they are going to bring you a page that you're going to sign up. When you sign up, you read rules and regulations. Then we go to this how it works. Now that you have those things, you guys, so how exactly does this work? It's actually pretty simple, very pretty simple. And these are few steps that I'm going to show you, I'm going to use by guiding you for you to make $150 without any hassle. When we come to this point of this video of mine, another person's video, put a comment and go. People will buy. One, this is the first thing you need to do. Find popular videos in your niche. Find popular videos in your niche. Start by finding videos that are trending or have a lot of engagement in your niche. For example, if you're promoting fitness products, if you're promoting phone accessories, if you're promoting cameras, if you're promoting things to do with workout videos or health tips, find them and identify them. Also, you make sure that you be on top of the game by finding the trends. Then the second thing is watch and comment. Please, I want you to do this for me. Don't run after knowing this method and you go post everywhere, because it will be like you're spamming. What you'll do, you need to watch, listen, and comment. Most individuals like to move with like mind. They want someone who comments a comment which is in relation to what they have watched. Instead of you find someone is talking about money, but you're bringing in marriage, then you're putting your comment. No, what I need you to do, I want you to watch the video to understand the content and leave a meaningful comment. But here is the trick: include subtitle, mention of a product or service related to the video content. For example, if you're watching this video and it is about how to earn $150 by commenting on a video. Now you have seen what I've used. For example, you have to go to this video and at least comment something in relation to: one, earning money; two, commenting on videos. So this one attracts the attention of the people who are watching, and they will know this one is a genuine person. For example, another example is great workout. I've been using this product. Like, for example, you've been using a rope that has made you lose your belly fat, or has made you lose your weight that you arm fat. When you put it like this, you say, really, I've been using this product, and this product has really helped me. See, I've seen the results very fast. Then when you put that, you add on your link, people are going to click on your link and are going to see what exactly you sell. Two, you include your affiliate link in your comment. Please subtly drop affiliate link. Make sure it is relevant and not spammy. You can shorten your links using some tools. I'll be leaving some tools in the comment section or in our description on how to make your links be more appealing. Some people will just bring their links and bang them on on someone's videos. Sometimes it is not proper for you to come and start advertising your products on someone's videos. But if you've watched this video as we are making it right now, you will find even the owner of video and other people that are within the comment section will follow you and start asking you a lot of things about your product. So what you do, you need to make sure that your link is appealing and your comment is appealing for people to be there. Then another way to do this and how it works very better on the fourth way is for you to engage with the community. Don't just drop one comment and run away and leave and you expect other people to come. What you do, you engage with other users, reply to their comments, and add value to that video. The more you engage, the more visibility your comment will be seen and your affiliate link will get better better audience. If you've seen me, Christine, I've posted a video and I've posted a comment on someone's video. You've come also and posted your video in a very mature way, in a very relevant way. Then you can go to my comment and say, thank you, I've been looking at it, Christine, it is very beautiful. I will feel indebted to see who is this person. I go and see in your comment. I will even go to your profile to see who exactly is this person. And the moment I'm clicking on that, it means you are getting more people. It means the moment I click on that link and buy something, you are getting more than 20% and more, depending on which exactly the affiliate market, the associate you are in. If you're in Amazon, there is a percentage. If you're in ClickBank, it is different, and even others. The last but not least on this, how it works is to track your earnings. Keep an eye on your affiliate dashboards, you people, to see how much your earning will consist of. Because if you are consistent, your consistent effort will make you earn more. It can even make you earn more than 150. Sit down and see exactly how many have I done in a day, and you'll find yourself with a lot of money, more than $150. Now, apart from this, how it works, I'm going to show you exactly what are the tips. I did this affiliate marketing for some 6 months, and I know how good it is and how hard it might be, or how easy it might be. There are some success tips that you can get, and I'm going to be providing for you on this. For example, for you to maximize your earnings, here are some tips. One, you have to target high engaging videos, because if you come, like for example, for a market show, most of we have a small audience. Most of us, we are never engaged. It is one or two of the videos that will be highly engaged. But if you target my audience, you might not get much results. But now suppose you go and see, who is trending, who is the person that most people are commenting on, or they are liking, they are commenting. You find like there are thousands of comments. You go look for those videos with a lot of comments and views. The more people you see commenting, the more it is better for you, for your product, for your comment to be noticed. And two, be genuine and helpful. Your comment should add value to the conversation, not just be a sales pitch. No, you have to go there like the way I told you and how it works. You cannot go and comment and move. You cannot go and drop a link and move. You have to make sure that you are genuine and helpful to the conversation. Then you have to rotate your affiliate links in different products. You are not going to put one, because when you're on Amazon, for example, there are different. You have access to different products. So when you're making money online, you and on social media, you can know how to pitch a phone. You can know how to pitch a nice stand. You can know how to pitch microphone. That one is all about you. You rotate your affiliate links, promote different products on different videos. Avoid being flagged as a spam. Don't bring one for fitness, even where it is not necessary. Then the last but not least on the tips, you have to be consistent. How to get your $150 US? The key is to do this regularly. If you do it once in a week, if you do it once in a month, in a year, don't expect $150 to come just far. If it was to come just far, everybody would be rich. What matters, the key code, the key note is how consistent are you. So the more you comment, the more opportunity you have to earn. Now, you guys, I'm very grateful. I'm very happy. And there you have it. A simple and effective way to make $150 by commenting on videos and using affiliate marketing links. If you found this video helpful, you people, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And above all, I just want you to put something on this video. Your like is more important for us. Your comment is beautiful. It will make us come back. Only a comment can make us come back. And let us, you can even subscribe for us. At least you get more money tips. This is really something that to let you know that everything that we do right now, someone did them years back. There is nothing that is new. The only thing that how does it reach us? To reach us matters so much. So thank you very much, you guys. If you have any questions, just go to the comment section. and make sure you put it there. You can know how to earn money online. You can know how to get your passive income. You can know how to make money with social media. You can go ahead and know even how to make money with commenting on all social media platforms. It has been nice talking to you guys. See you in another video. Let's go and learn how to comment on people's videos.